there's a couple of ways to recharge your DJI Action 5. The first one will be to use the USB-C connection on the side over here. And really the only thing you need to do is to take a USB-C cable and connect it into it, and voila, it's charging. You can connect the other side of your USB-C cable to anything that got a USB connection. It can be this one, it can be a computer, any brick wall, anything that can give you power. If you can connect it into it, you can't break it because USB is a standard. If you can connect it, it's because it's made to go there. However, they do not have all the same power. If you read the little character over here, you will see that they don't have all the same voltage and wattage. That's fine. You can't break it again, but some will go faster than other. So if you travel and you want to recharge quickly, the device that I recommend to use is this guy. I'll leave the link in the description. That's the Anchor Prime. There's 3 USB-C connection, 1 USB-A, and it can deliver up to 150 watts that it shares on all of those ends. Great device. The other way to recharge your battery, and it's actually my favorite one for this camera, is this little guy that is also made from DJI, and you can input 3 battery over here. It will recharge over USB-C again, but when you need a new battery, instead of connecting it and wait for it to charge, you just open the door, you remove the battery just like that, you insert it over here, and you take another battery, put it back in, and you're ready to go with a very full battery while your other battery is charging over here. So again, link in the description. I hope this was helpful.